Hi everyone, I'm Sorjini. I have 11 years of experience. I'm a finance professional. So before joining PIM, I was facing so many challenges in communication wise, and I was thinking that communication is related to English and I need to improve more on that side. But after joining PIM, I came to know that this is more about communication, how you know about different people emotion, their needs, and how you're able to deliver and communicate properly. It really helped me to resolve so many personal problems, and professionally also I was trying to communicate, and I well communicated, and I tried to um, conveyed all my points in a proper way and ideas also in a proper manner. So that really helped me to grow in my professional careers. So I completed my basic effective communication, and after that I enrolled advanced. In advanced communication workshop, apart from communicating, I learned so many tips and techniques on leadership. So leadership is not about a specific role when you take a specific role and how you lead that. It's about leading your own life and giving an example to others. That really helped me to shape my career as a whole. So I'll suggest everyone to go for this PIM workshop if you are really struggling in your professional and personal life. So thanks to Bijay, he helped me to grow in my career and to learn so many things which helped me to enrich myself. Thank you.